How to change shop transparency in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here on the left, there are different options available. Simply tap on layout. Now here, you'll be able to see different option. Here you'll be able to customize the layout according to your wish. Now here there's an option called shop transparency. So there's a slider that is available. Now you can adjust the slider however you like. On the top you can see the changes that it has done too. So if you are a pro player, it's better you keep it to the low because it's all memorizable and you will know which place has which items. But if you are a new player, you must keep it high in order to track it. So it's for the efficiency of the game too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.